Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore 5 important Kanji radicals. Let's get started. The first radical. This radical means moon, but when on left side it often means body part. Think of crescent moon or piece of a meat. For example, Uday. So Suki can mean moon or body parts depending on the context. This radical means sun or day. It looked like a window showing the sun. Imagine sunlight shining through a square window. The example is akarui. This kanji indicates time, light, or days. This radical means hand. Imagine a hand reaching out to grab something. For example, utsu. It means to hit. So whenever you see this kanji, think of action done with the hand, like holding, heating, or making. This radical means grass or plant. It looked like two blades of grass sprouting. For example, hana, that means flower. Kanji with this radical usually related to the plant or nature or herb. And this radical means the mouth. It looked like a square mouth wide open. This kuchi kanji often related to the speaking, eating, or opening. So today we have learned 5 radicals. Remember, radicals are like puzzle pieces. Once you know them, kanji becomes much easier to understand. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.